Did you know that we have words with the same spelling but different meaning? So how do we distinguish this kind of thing in Igbo land? Okay, that's when our Udaolu comes in. Udaolu simply means tone in English. Tone. That is the tone in which you are pronouncing that word. For example, aqua, aqua, which means egg. Aqua means clothes. We are using the same word, AKWA. So how do we distinguish this kind of thing? Okay, now how to do it is number one. For example, aqua, aqua, which means cry. I'm crying. Nebe aqua, aqua is high tone. High tone. We are using high tone. Aqua, aqua. Then another one is aqua, which means clothes. We are using what? High and low tone. Aqua, aqua. We are using high and low tone. Another one is aqua, which means egg. Aqua. We are using low and high tone. Aqua, aqua. And the last one is aqua, which means bird. We are using low and low tone. Aqua. So with this, you have learned that aqua, which means cry, is high and high tone. High and high tone. Aqua, which means bird, is low and low tone. Aqua, which means egg, is low and high tone. And then aqua, which means clothes, is high and low tone. So thank you.